Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix blurry photos on Instagram. So let's begin the video. At first, you need to open Instagram, then click on your profile picture in the bottom right. Then click on those three bars. Click on Settings, then select Account from the menu. Then click on Mobile Data Use. Make sure use less mobile data as turned off. It says using less more data may affect your experience on Instagram. So therefore, if you make sure that's turned off, it will use more mobile data. But you are going to be able to go and see everything in much equality. And turn on highest quality because this means that when you are uploading your own content, it's going to upload the highest quality version of it. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.